In the bustling world we live in, it's essential to take a moment, breathe, and embrace the tranquility of nature. And what better way to do that than with essential oils air? This unique blend of natural oils is designed to enhance your well-being, transforming your living space into a sanctuary of peace and wellness. Firstly, essential oils. Air is a breath of fresh air for your respiratory system. With a blend of eucalyptus and lemon, it has beneficial inhalation properties that are like a spa day for your lungs. But the benefits don't stop there. The essential oils in air have proven anti-inflammatory properties. So when you diffuse them in your home, you're not just enjoying a pleasant aroma, you're actively reducing inflammation in your body. It's a science-backed method of relaxation. Now imagine having a personal mood-lifting assistant at home. That's what air essential oils can do for you. With their soothing effects, they can create a positive atmosphere and stabilize your mood. For the health enthusiasts out there, air also includes essential oils known for their antibacterial and antiviral properties. So, as you fill your home with this delightful aroma, you're also actively fighting off germs and viruses. And if you're someone who struggles with sleep, you're in luck. Essential oils air might just be your new best friend at bedtime. With the relaxing effects of certain essential oils like lavender, it could contribute to a better night's sleep. However, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to follow the usage instructions diligently, including proper dilution and diffusion durations. This ensures you can enjoy the benefits of air essential oils safely. Lastly, before you embark on your journey with air, consider consulting with a health professional or aromatherapist. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of essential oils air. If you're ready to transform your living space into a haven of well-being, why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more wellness content, and share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, here's to your health and happiness.